Understanding Rice Noodle, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases rice noodle. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about different culinary terms, this video is perfect for expanding your English vocabulary. Let's dive in. Rice noodles are a type of noodle made from rice flour and water. Unlike traditional wheat noodles, they are gluten-free and have a distinct texture and flavor. Rice noodles are a staple in various Asian cuisines, especially in Chinese, Thai, and Vietnamese dishes. Rice noodles come in several forms, ranging from thin vermicelli to flat and wide noodles. Each type has its unique characteristics and is used in different dishes. For example, thin rice vermicelli is often used in soups and salads, while wider noodles are preferred in stir-fries and rolls. Cooking rice noodles is a simple process but requires a bit of know-how. They are generally soaked in water before cooking to soften them. The key is not to overcook them, as they can become too soft and lose their texture. We'll share some tips and tricks to cook them perfectly every time. Rice noodles are not just food. They hold significant cultural importance in many Asian countries. They are often featured in festivals and special occasions, symbolizing longevity and prosperity. Understanding their cultural context enriches your language learning and appreciation for diverse cuisines. Thank you for joining us in exploring rice noodle. We hope this video has been informative and adds a tasty dimension to your English vocabulary. Stay tuned for more interesting language learning videos, and don't forget to practice using rice noodle in your conversations. Happy learning!